Hello everyone! Welcome back to Canvas Crusade, your go-to channel for creative Canva tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into the world of Canva Text Effects. If you're excited about giving your text that extra wow factor, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to add cool text effects in Canva, transforming simple text into eye-catching designs. Whether you're a beginner or a Canva pro, these tips will elevate your design game. First, let's set the stage with a sleek black background. Next, I'm adding our key phrase in bold text. Watch how this simple start turns into something amazing. Now, here's where the magic happens. I'm adding a rectangle shape behind our text for some contrast. Next, let's bring in a dynamic element of paint splash. This adds a vibrant, artistic touch. We're not stopping there. To add more texture, I'm incorporating a dust texture element from Canva's vast library. It's these little details that make a big difference. And for the grand finale, I'm saving our design with a transparent background. Why? So we can seamlessly integrate it into different mockups like this cool t-shirt design. Look at how our Canva text effect brings this shirt to life. What do you think of this text effect? Would you use it in your designs? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I love hearing from you. Before you go, Check out this video thumbnail on screen for more Canva tips. And don't forget to stay updated with all our latest tutorials. Subscribe to Canvas Crusade and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.